day, hello everybody, welcome back to Hands On with BLG. I am BLG, and today we're going to do restaurant burger, just a plain old ordinary restaurant burger. So as you see, you've got your griddle like that, right? It's like that Mc place. Let's give it a little like that spray, freshen its breath just a touch, right? Now you've got your frozen burgers that you get on the assembly cooking line. You smack them down on here, 400 degrees on your griddle temperature, you see. Smack that one there. You get a little trouble having that one to separate. Got that one there. And this one here. Still a piece of paper right there, ain't there? FU piece of paper. There we go. Now, that just sits there and does, you know, cooks. Yeah. There we go, yeah. La, 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 la. And of course, while you're doing this, you may as well have some ice cold, satisfying, refreshing. Look at this. Busch Light beer. Yes, served at a 34 degrees Fahrenheit. It's the beer of choice, ladies and gentlemen. The beer you want to taste again. Thank you. Thank you. Now, finish this video and go get some Busch Light and some burgers. And if you don't have one, buy a griddle. You're going to want to do this. Just trust me. Oh, and hit like and subscribe and all that stuff too, please. Pass the word, share these videos, all that. You know, you guys, all I got to grow this channel, because I don't do Twitch, Facebook, and Facebook, all that other crap. I don't do any of that stuff. I just do YouTube right here. It's the only place you can catch me. Yep. Look at them go. Kind of smush them down a little bit like this on that second side so they flatten out good. Nice. This is about ready to come off. These are getting close. These two. That one's got just a little bit longer. Alright, these guys are cooked up. Take them off. I can't get under them because, you know, slippery. Put that guy over there. There we go. Put that guy over there. This guy right here. Alright, these guys are cooked up. Ouch, I can't walk. Okay, good. Shut that off. That will work. And we'll leave that to cool off. Let's see if you can see this. We're going to move over this way just a touch. I'll zoom in here. Pew, pew. What is that? Is that on the... Oh, that's the pin on the side of the thing. Pew! 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 Okay, there you go. Now, what did they order? Let's see. They ordered, I need the top of the bun. There we go. They ordered... No, I don't. I don't need that yet. We need the patty. Yoink! Bottom of the bun. We need the patty. Look at that fit. Perfect. Just like fast food. Tiny. Let's say they ordered pickles and onion. I've got pickles and onion combined here. Isn't that cool? On it goes. Nicely done, sir. Nicely done. Pickles, onion. Now, let's say they ordered cheese. Cheese right on the pickles and onion. You see? Nice and quick like. Bam! They ordered mustard. They ordered mustard. Yep. They ordered some ketchup. They ordered some ketchup. There you go, folks. Fast food. Just for shits and giggles. We'll put a little more garnish on the top so it looks nice. And there you go, folks. Fast food burgers. Right there. Fast food burgers for you. I'm going to smack this top on here. Peek at that, yeah? Going fast food burger. Look at this. I like the cheese hanging out like that. Cheese and mustard. There you go. Fast food burger. Right there. You're welcome. So, until the next episode, folks, you know what to do. Hit that like, subscribe, pass the word, share the videos, and peace out, people. Just peace out. Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around